this object really is in orbit, and that it's not just something that happens to lie along the line of sight.
Hubble was watching a nearby star when a point of light suddenly appeared out of nowhere. Something just appeared in deep space where nothing existed before, and Hubble caught it on camera. Astronomers had been studying this star system for years, with every single image showing the same thing. But in 2023, a bright object appeared where nothing had been before. And when they looked closer, they realized Hubble had just witnessed something impossible. What happened next left scientists completely baffled, because the object started doing something planets should never do. And the answer reveals a terrifying truth about how violent space really is. So what could make a bright object suddenly appear out of nowhere in space? The star is called Fomalhaut, and it sits just 25 light-years from Earth, making it one of the brightest stars in our night sky. Astronomers have been watching Fomalhaut for decades because it's surrounded by a massive ring of dust and debris. And this ring is where planets might be forming right now. Hubble has been taking pictures of Fomalhaut since 2004, and in every single image, the system looked the same, with the star in the center and the debris ring around it. However, in 2023, when astronomers looked at new Hubble images, they saw something that made them stop. A bright point of light had appeared in the debris ring where there had been nothing before. Paul Callis from the University of California, Berkeley, was the first to see it, and he couldn't believe what he was looking at because he had studied this system for years. The team checked everything, thinking maybe it was a camera error or processing mistake, but it wasn't. Something real had just appeared in the Fomalhaut system. Hubble had caught the exact moment something massive happened 25 light-years away. But what could create a bright light in deep space where nothing existed before? At first, astronomers thought maybe they had discovered a planet because the object looked exactly like an exoplanet reflecting starlight. Planets don't just appear though, so the team started studying the object more carefully, and they noticed something strange. The bright spot wasn't moving like a planet should move, and it was changing in ways that planets don't change. Then they remembered something from 2008, when Hubble discovered what scientists thought was the first planet ever directly imaged in visible light around another star. That object was called Fomalhaut B, and it was a huge discovery that made headlines around the world. However, there was a problem. Because when astronomers kept watching Fomalhaut B over the years, it started fading and eventually disappeared completely. Scientists were confused because planets don't just vanish. So they started wondering if Fomalhaut B was ever a planet at all. Now in 2023, they had a new bright object appearing in almost the same location where the first object had been. The team realized these weren't planets at all, but something much more violent. So, if they weren't planets, what were these mysterious bright objects? Well, the bright objects were dust clouds created by massive collisions. Two huge rocky bodies had smashed into each other at incredible speeds in the Fomalhaut system, and the impact released an enormous cloud of dust that was reflecting starlight, making it look like a bright object. The colliding objects were planetesimals, which are the building blocks that smashed together to form planets, and each one was about 30 kilometers wide, which is slightly larger than Mars's moon Phobos. When objects that size collide at orbital speeds, the energy released is absolutely massive. Scientists compared it to NASA's DART mission in 2022, when they deliberately crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to test planetary defense. But that impact created a small dust cloud. The Fomalhaut collision was 1 billion times more powerful than DART. 1 billion times. Hubble had witnessed the aftermath of a cosmic catastrophe more violent than anything in our solar system today. But how powerful is 1 billion times more than a spacecraft impact? Well, to understand the scale of these collisions, we need to compare them to something we can relate to. So the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated was the Tsar bomber, tested by the Soviet Union in 1961. And it released 50 megatons of energy, which means 50 million tons of TNT equivalent. The explosion created a fireball 5 miles wide, a mushroom cloud 40 miles high, and the shockwave circled Earth 3 times. Buildings were damaged 600 miles away, and the flash could be seen 625 miles from ground zero. That's the most powerful explosion humans have ever created. However, the asteroid collisions at Fomalhaut released energy millions of times greater than even the Tsar bomber, because when 30-kilometer objects collide at speeds of tens of thousands of miles per hour, the kinetic energy is astronomical. The impact instantly vaporized both objects, creating temperatures hotter than the surface of the Sun. And the debris cloud that formed was so massive it could be seen from 25 light-years away. If a collision like this happened near Earth, the energy released would be equivalent to millions of nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously, and the debris cloud would be visible in our sky like a new star appearing. These cosmic collisions release more energy in seconds than humanity has ever produced in all of history. So why is this happening at Fomalhaut, and what does it tell us about our own solar system? Scientists believe the early days of our solar system were exactly like what's happening at Fomalhaut right now. 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was a violent, chaotic place, filled with thousands of planetesimals, asteroids, and comets all smashing into each other. This was cosmic bumper cars on a massive scale, with objects colliding constantly, creating dust clouds and debris fields. That debris eventually came together to form our moon. The moon exists because of a catastrophic collision. Scientists estimate there were hundreds of millions of these collisions in our early solar system over the first few 100 million years. Fomalhaut is giving us a window into that time because the system is much younger than ours, and it's still in that violent planet-forming stage. What Hubble witnessed at Fomalhaut is exactly how Earth and every other planet in our solar system was born, through violent cosmic collisions. But what if something like this happened near our solar system today? Well, imagine if a collision like the ones at Fomalhaut happened in our solar system right now. Let's say 2 30-kilometer asteroids somehow ended up on a collision course in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The impact would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear weapons, creating a flash of light visible from Earth even at nighttime. The debris cloud would expand outward from the impact site, spreading millions of tons of dust and rock fragments across space. Some of that debris would eventually reach Earth's orbit, and our planet would fly through clouds of microscopic particles for years. Those particles hitting our atmosphere would create spectacular meteor showers, unlike anything ever seen, with thousands of shooting stars per hour lighting up the night sky. However, the real danger would be the larger chunks, because fragments the size of cars or houses could survive the journey to Earth. And if they hit our planet, they would cause devastation. A rock the size of a bus traveling at orbital speeds carries as much energy as a nuclear weapon, and the Fomalhaut collision would produce thousands of such fragments. Cities could be destroyed, entire regions could be impacted, and the atmospheric effects from all that debris could affect climate for years. Fortunately, collisions this massive are extremely rare in mature solar systems like ours, because most of the large planetesimals either became planets or got ejected billions of years ago. However, the fact that we're seeing 2 such collisions at Fomalhaut in just 20 years tells us something important. Young planetary systems are incredibly dangerous places where massive collisions happen all the time. So what happens next at Fomalhaut? Astronomers are now watching the Fomalhaut system more closely than ever because they want to see what happens to the dust cloud. The team has been granted time on both Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope to monitor the system, and Webb's infrared capabilities will let them study the dust composition to see if it contains water, ice, or other materials. They're tracking how the cloud expands and whether it gets brighter or fades away like the first dust cloud did. Scientists estimate that in the Fomalhaut system, there are about 300 million objects each around 30 kilometers in size, all orbiting the star. And based on what they're seeing, collisions this massive probably happen every 20 years. That's incredibly frequent for such violent events. For comparison, our solar system went through its violent collision phase billions of years ago, and today major impacts are extremely rare. However, Fomalhaut is giving us a live laboratory to study planet formation as it happens, because we're watching the exact same processes that created Earth playing out in real time. This discovery also has implications for finding real exoplanets, because dust clouds can masquerade as planets for many years. And future missions designed to image exoplanets will need to be careful not to mistake collision debris for actual planets. But the really amazing part is that Hubble caught these collisions completely by accident, while astronomers were looking for something else entirely. There could be hundreds of similar collisions happening in the Fomalhaut system that are too faint for even Hubble to see. And with Webb now watching, we might catch even more. Hubble was watching Fomalhaut when a bright object suddenly appeared where nothing had been before. And when astronomers investigated, they discovered they had witnessed something impossible. Two massive planetesimals 30 kilometers wide had collided at incredible speeds, creating a dust cloud 1 billion times more powerful than NASA's DART impact. The energy released was millions of times greater than the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated. And if such a collision happened near Earth today, the effects would be catastrophic. However, this isn't just a story about destruction, because these violent collisions are exactly how planets form. Hubble caught a glimpse of creation happening in real time, 25 light-years away, and astronomers will keep watching to see what happens next. What other violent secrets is the universe hiding in plain sight?